But you, even if I said that you, when somebody die, where you people they go cemetery, you see the things they do inside traffic. The dead must go fast, but the MP can go faster.
Busia enano power dear Kwame A+ ghtrending ye wo media ne so na ni nyina agina sem emre bi atwam time na onya meye MP no for Goma Central okoka say Sirens na yaje free eye MPs ni nsem na eye pa so mo de Sirens ekwakodi eye traffic mu ni amom kwan no eye pa ba sesi ade wa make U-turn.
Let me speak my mind. They say A+ say he has now come to understand why MPs requested for Sirens. So what is wrong with understanding? You have people, they go school, they come 10 lawyer, whatever, they always they make noise. What is wrong with understanding? Like I come to understand, so what? Let me tell you another thing that I understand. I understand why NDC supporters are out there attacking people, going to sack people from public servants from their offices, going to attack this person here, doing this. I understand because in 2016, the MPP did worse. That's another thing that I understand. The phrase is, I understand. I understand that one too, why people are out there misbehaving because in 2016, Nanka Bruce police was attacked at Flagstaff, was beaten.
Let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I pop into a video, I'm sure so subscribe. I'm a click the notification bell and said there any upload there, and sabi tinaka. Now I share I'm a for share your Facebook as Let's Talk GH rumors and what TikTok as Let's Talk GH and also be follow these pages. Any comments we answer one of our comment section or Eddie Amanda. That Kwame A+, you know himself a controversial person now or no dear. Just so can journey back to back. And I know power ne ho dere no ai ne ho dere nyina agina says last year okoka says Sirens na yaje free eye MPs ni nsem no ehu hia ye because ye nyina na ye deserve see the traffic few days abra be ye MP no sisi ade wa make U-turn na ne nsem a wo ka no sisi ase nuhu abanimu se okoka say hu be hia se ye beje Sirens na every MPs ni nsem entiema.
And then I remember that last year, before I entered Parliament, I was complaining about MPs and why MPs wanted Sirens. And I called my friend and said, "Are you?" He's a dispatch rider. I said, "Where are you?" He said, "I'm at my place." I said, "Please, I need you to take me out of this traffic and get me to the constituency now and bring me back to Parliament." Wow. So I came to understand why. And can you imagine somebody whose constituency is somewhere in, say, Paga, and you have to go there with the president and then come back to Parliament? I think that I'm in a position to explain what happens and what parliamentarians go through very well to the public.
Now, Kwame A+ can in say me nyina na Ghana for say say nipa ye ka say aboa ho say fidie so ni mu a mi so nko sa so na fidie ni jana mi so nko time na wonya meye MP ni de na wo say o support see age Sirens but obeye bi ni de bre hia post ni ti o pa che sisi ade ehu be hia so mbenya Sirens ene Ghana for na bonechi akasa media no so o trend gidi for reasons say wakokasa sisi ade nka or make U-turn say Sirens ehu hia no na waba be so live na nsem a woka nyina ne say mo obi am ye dedi emfemu na so
development. There's nobody who doesn't like development. Go and do development. Give them water. Help them with their roads. Do this for them. They will follow you. And that is exactly what we did. So don't go and sit down and go and see somebody A+ brand person me na okasa. Say you know, what be here honorable. Inti no was say no hwe se ne awokasa. Unim kasa na win election. Unim kasa ko win election. Go and ask the members of Parliament. Go and ask them. When the people come and they are talking, they say, you can learn some of these things from A+. You can learn this one from A+. Go to Parliament. The speaker told me, A+, speak your mind. God bless you. Honorable Speaker. He said, speak your mind. God bless you. You see, it takes somebody with a certain sense and a certain mindset to understand that People must speak their minds. People must be free. Don't come and tell me, A plus, don't do this. A plus, don't do that. You that you are not doing, what have you become? You are not doing, you have become what? You that you are not doing it, have you become a UN Secretary General? And lastly, now I'm going to speak my mind before I go. As I always do, I'm going to speak my mind so that it will pain you. And that is the one that will become the news. Because I want to stay in the news. We should go for commercial break and come. Make we go commercial break and come. Okay. No, they say make we not go commercial break. So now let me speak my mind. They say A plus say he has now come to understand why MPs requested for sirens. So what is wrong with understanding? You have people, they go school, they come 10 lawyer, whatever, they always they make noise. What is wrong with understanding? Like I've come to understand, so what? Let me tell you another thing that I understand. I understand why NDC supporters are out there attacking people, going to sack people from public servants from their offices, going to attack this person here, doing this. I understand because in 2016, the MPP did worse. That's another thing that I understand. The phrase is, I understand. I understand that one too, why people are out there misbehaving, because in 2016, Nanka Bruce police was attacked at Flagstaff, was beaten. So I understand why the NDC is also doing that. Doesn't mean I support it. That they say, let's enact a law that allows people to go and attack people after elections. Because I understand, am I going to support that law? Use your brain to think like a human being. God gave you brain for free. It's not pay per use. It's free. Use it. And the most annoying part is that I have a friend. He's a Muslim. You know me, most of my friends are Zongo boys. I have a friend. He's a Zongo boy. He called me. Bro, I'm very disappointed in you. I say, hey, Zongo people make disappointed in me. What I do? So me and the boys be here. We be very disappointed in you. I said, what have I done? He said, you say may they give you siren. Right now you come chop MP. You say may they give you siren. I say, Bassett, you are disappointed because I said they should give me siren. Where did I say that? I didn't say that. But you, even if I said that if I said that when somebody die, where you people they go cemetery, you see the things they do inside traffic. The dead must go fast, but the MP can go faster. You think they're gonna be on? Kwame plus no they fear it. They tell you my mind. The dead, when somebody dies and you are going to the cemetery, you see what you do in traffic. Sometimes you face oncoming vehicles, hit on people's cars, blow your horn with motorbike, pain. Everybody should allow you to go and bury dead person because you are in a hurry. And Bassett, let me tell you something. I understand why you do that. This is what I said. Understand. I understand why you do that. The reason why you do that is because your religion demands that the dead must be buried fast, quick. Like don't put dead bodies. So you are in a hurry to go and bury the dead. So I understand. But do I support it? No. I don't support it. And today's video is for my friends. So every time use your brain. Just use your brain to do the calculations. Fast. Don't allow people to use their brains on you. So I understand why my friends in the Zongo are in traffic, hitting on people's cars, blowing horns, opening the way for dead body to go fast. And I also understand why MPs requested for sirens to go faster. So you've been in traffic, hitting people's cars, opening way to take dead body to cemetery, are coming to ask me that, why are you saying? The one you have been doing in traffic, has any Ghanaian complained about it? Have you ever heard people raise issues that what the Zongo boys have been doing in traffic is wrong? And all of you here, you see it every day. And everybody is scared because, hey, Zongo people, they don't go and talk to them. They are my friends. I'm telling them in their face. The thing you have been doing in traffic. I'm telling you, me when I see you, I give way because I understand why you are in a hurry to marry because you believe in something. And I understand. So when I see you doing those things, I just go because go. You they don't understand that the MP president is calling me, I should come. You they crazy or what they do you? You there, you don't understand me, I understand, you don't understand me. You don't want to understand me, I understand, you don't want to understand. Anytime president call me, I go blow my horn. I go leave quick. If not, I no go. Why it be jealousy where people they jealous MPs or what? They be jealousy or be what? Or what? Me I dey my house, they call me say make I come Winneba. And they give me like 45 minutes to reach there. Say make I go there, Kwashiman traffic. I go reach there. You know be the country where they serve. And you don't understand, but you want to take dead body go fast. When I leave here tonight, I dey go find my boys for Nima. They be my boys. When I go there too, I go tell them the same time they talk for here where we go laugh. Yes. You, me, I dey understand that the open traffic make you go bury somebody. You know I understand me. What did they talk? Let's understand each other. Me, I be your brother. I tell you truth. Let's understand each other. And that is where we will find peace in this life that we are living. God bless you. I love you. You know, I love all of you.
Like I said, the honorable Kwame A+. Ekano no simo bia metutututu phobia be kase we do hunting ko yesei nia wote na anakosoa ye no kwa parliament boni ye di ni etwamp wa se opese wo ka asem ana se opese wo kasa te se Kwame A+. It is a see ade bra e di ni post ankasa me di mani ensem mechi any update bi aba me de ebebro your Facebook as Let's Talk GH Rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. So say we follow these pages now, I share video ama afofo abeshare me din edina make asanta Macron.